Hey friends, it's Keezy here today, and today we will be unboxing and reviewing the new Rainbow High, Shadow High, Luna and Sunny Madison 2-pack. Alright, so there may be some new people here, so I just want to go over this really quickly. So how I like to do my reviews is I like to give an unbiased kind of look at the dolls first, and then what I'll do at the very end is give my kind of final thoughts and my opinions about the dolls. So if you want to hear that, definitely make sure to stay tuned until the end. So first, let's take a look at the box. So the box is a square, as you can see here. On the very top, it does have a kind of foiled Let Your True Color Shine. On the left here, it says Series 1 Sunny Madison. And then on the right here, of course, you can see it says Luna Madison. It does have a graphic of the Rainbow High YouTube channel. It does say that this pack is a special edition. On one side here, of course, again, you can see a foiled Rainbow High. On the other side, you see a kind of holographic foiled Shadow High. Just like all the special edition boxes, it does have the little corners with the little screws here. On Sunny's side, it is gold, and on Luna's side, it is silver. On the left side here, of course, it does say Sunny in a foiled kind of logo, and it does say that she's a computer animation focus. And of course, it does have Luna in this exact same insignia, and then it does say she is a film focus. On the back here, you can kind of see it is a graphic of Sunny and Luna. On one side, you can kind of see a colorful kind of rainbow. On the other side, you kind of see that typical Shadow High kind of glitch effect going on. It does say Rainbow High here in another foiled text. And then on the other side, it says Shadow High also in a foiled text. This is an international box, so feel free to read this graphic if you'd like. And here is the UPC for these dolls. They were $59.99 on Amazon. All right, so now that we've taken a look at these dolls in the box, let's go ahead and get them out. Alright, so now that we've gotten Luna and Sunny out of the box, let's take a look at the things that they come with. So they each come with a plastic comb. Luna has the Shadow High comb, and of course Sunny has the Rainbow High comb. Luna comes with this kind of slate gray stand that is the Shadow High stand. It does have some silver embedded glitter in it. And Sunny, of course, comes with a yellow stand. It is the Rainbow High stand, and it does have some gold embedded glitter in it. Moving on to the accessories that they come with, starting with Luna. So she does come with this nice little silver trunk case. It does have like a faux Louis Vuitton print going throughout it. So you can see some stars, some moons, and some SHs. It does have this little black handle here. It doesn't move or anything, but you can also see some silver hardware going throughout. It does open at the front here so that you can put a couple of things in it. For the strap, it is a black band, and of course it does have shadow going all the way around. Sunny comes with this tan teddy style bear purse. As you can see, it is flocked here. It does have some button eyes, a nose, and a kind of stitched mouth. That is plastic. For the band here, it is kind of like a faux leather, and you actually don't have to struggle to get it off of her. It actually comes off of her via this little Velcro right here. And of course, the bag also has some gold buckles. So for Luna's accessories, in the box, she comes wearing these kind of silver stud earrings. You can see that the gem is kind of transparent. It does have like a little dangling chain here that goes down into this triangle that has a little small S and some sparkles on it. And they are the same on both sides. For shoes, she comes with these black combat boots. You can see that they do have a kind of leather stitching going all the way throughout. They do lace up on the front with some silver eyelets going up the front. Also for the platform, it is kind of like a chunky platform that is in a silver and black with a little bit of tread on the bottom. By the way, they also have that lace up design going up the back. For Luna's outfit, it is 3 separate pieces here. So she has on this black t-shirt here, but let's actually start with the little corset here. So Luna has this kind of metallic leather corset going on. You can see that it does have some silver brads going throughout. You can also see some decorative stitching going throughout the bodice as well. The details actually don't continue to the back, but it does Velcro. Underneath the corset, it's just a plain black crop top shirt. Luna also comes wearing a pleated A-line skirt. You can see that it does have some kind of plastic electroplated rings going around the waistline. There also is a black faux leather belt here. The belt does have this kind of filigree buckle here that is also electroplated. And I don't know if I mentioned, but the skirt is also plaid. And then underneath the skirt here, you can see it does have a little satin slip. For Luna's screening, so she does have a kind of silver and gray smoky eye. You can see a little bit of glitter that is on the lid here. Of course, she does have a black wing eyeliner, and of course, she does have some applied lashes. Her eyes are kind of like a whitish purple, and she does have a little gray that is smoked under the eye. For her blush, it is like a nice kind of interesting pink. And then her lips are a kind of semi-glossy gray color. Also, you can see she does have some silverish gray molded on baby hairs. For her hair, she does have two space buns here. It does look like it's two different size braids kind of wrapped around each other. And of course, you can see she does have a middle part, just like her first release. Her hair is just kind of loose and wavy in the back. It's not super duper gelled, but there is a decent amount of gel in the hair, and she definitely has a little bit of box hair here. That's probably the worst of it. I also forgot to show you that Luna does have long acrylic nails, and they are painted in a silver color. Moving right along to Sunny, so she has a total of 5 hair clips. One is kind of a transparent purple with some embedded glitter, a transparent pink with some embedded glitter, then a kind of line of white pearls for the third one on this side. On the other side, she has some blue and yellow clips. One is a moon with a smiley face, and the other one is a sun with a smiley face. For earrings, they are 2 different earrings. So of course you can see this one has a little gold stud that falls into this purple star with a shooting star in the center. And I'm sorry, I don't know why I said that they were different because they're the exact same on the other side. And for shoes, she has some Crocs X Balenciaga shoes. They are in a yellow color. Of course, you can see they do have a black kind of heel on them. And on the toe of the shoe, of course, because they are Crocs, they do have the little buttons that go on there. You can kind of pause to take a look at each one. For outerwear, Sunny comes wearing this yellow trucker style jacket. It does have some sewn ruffles going down the front of the jacket. On the front of the jacket as well, it does have some pockets with some gold studs. Also on the side here, you can see this little yellow strap. I'm not really sure what that's for. On the right side, it does have some pockets. This top one is a faux pocket, but the bottom one is a working pocket. It also does have some cuffs on the sleeves here with some little straps that aren't functional for anything. The jacket also has some more gold studs here going along the edge to mimic some buttons. I wanted to take off the jacket to show you guys some more of the details. So the hoodie is sewn into the jacket. It does have some kind of white fuzz on the inside of the hood. It also has some functional drawstrings here with some little yellow beads on the end. And also to kind of give that realism of a hoodie, you can kind of see the cuff of the hoodie hanging out of the end of the jacket. On the back here, you can see this little graphic of Sunny here. You can see some gold stars, some rainbows going around, and of course that is the 2-pack Sunny here that it looks like she has drawn herself. And it is applied to the jacket in like an iron-on style. Sunny also comes wearing this white kind of oversized t-shirt. You can see that it does say a rainbow on the very top here. Then embroidered into the shirt, you can see this little, I don't know if it's a cat. It looks like a cat to me that has some kind of embroidered safety pins going around it. And the cat does look like it's wearing like a unicorn hoodie. So that's very interesting. And for her bottoms, she is wearing this white denim skirt that has a kind of vinyl overlay. The vinyl does have some white stitching going throughout. It does have some faux pockets here. Actually, these look like real working pockets that also have these gold little studs here. And of course, the most interesting part about it is that it does have these little colorful graphics going all around the skirt, and they do continue to the back here. To complete the outfit, she does come with these little leg warmers here. They are in a white color. On the very top here, you can see a rainbow here that's kind of ironed on to the edge. For Sunny's screening here, so you can see that she does have some thick brown eyebrows. She does have a kind of smoky kind of brown color going around the crease and then also around the bottom of the eyelid. For the eyeshadow, you can see that it's yellow and it does have some glitter going throughout. And of course, you can see she does have her applied lashes and then some painted on ones at the very bottom. For her lips, they are a nice kind of shimmery pink. Looking at her hair, she does have some painted on baby hairs here. And you can see that her hair is kind of pulled back here in the front with these two curly kind of tendrils. In the back here, you can see that they are two pigtails with this kind of figure 8 kind of design at the base of the ponytail. Then it goes down into these two little curls here. The hair is lightly gelled, but it should probably do good with a little soak and a little wash to get out the product. And Sunny does also come with the long acrylic nail mold, and hers are in a nice bright yellow. Okay, so now to give you my final thoughts on this 2-pack. So my final Keezy score for this doll pack, a new thing we're gonna do, if we're gonna call it a Keezy score, is definitely a 9.5 out of 10. And let me tell you why. So I definitely want to say that, well, first let's do this. Let's do how we usually do. So starting with the pros and then we'll go to the cons. So the pros is I think that Sunny carries this 2-pack. When I tell you that this is the perfect Sunny doll, like she's literally just perfection. Like every single part of her, like I wouldn't change a single thing about her. I am literally obsessed with this doll. It doesn't happen often, but you know, sometimes when you have a doll that just evokes so much positive emotion in you, I feel like this Sunny is it, like literally from the hairstyle. I love how they styled the hair. I'm probably not gonna change it because it's so well styled. I mean, obviously I'm gonna wash it and, you know, reshape it and things like that, but I won't be doing like a full restyle on her. I love the hair accessories. I love when they include those. I definitely want to get a second pack so that I can use these on another doll. I think that the face, like the screening, looks so good. It's not a super different makeup look for Sunny, but I think that it works beautifully. And I don't know what they did to change the molding, but the eyes look so different. Like they're still wide and big like the typical Rainbow High is, but I feel like they just look so different for some reason. Like, let me compare them real quick. Like, I don't know if it's just the placement of the eyes, but this has to be the exact same mold, right? But they look so wildly different. Like between the Fantastic Fashion one and the 2-pack, they just look so different somehow, and I don't know. Again, it may just be the placement of the eyes, but her eyes almost look a different shape. It's kind of crazy. But yes, the outfit is a 10 out of 10 on her. I think that she is literally amazing. Like Sunny, I cannot make any complaints about whatsoever. I'm glad I didn't get a defective one. Like, she's perfect. And yeah, as far as pros on Luna, I will say that I love that they gave them baby hairs. I love when they give black dolls that anyways, period. I definitely think that her facial screening looks really, really good as well. I would say it's not anything too crazy. I kind of wish they had done something a little bit more interesting, especially because she's in grayscale. I'll definitely say I love this corset. I think this is really, really cute. And I think it'll be good for some restyles. Now, as far as cons go, so I will say for Luna, she is probably my least favorite from the pack. So when these dolls were first kind of teased, they came out on TikTok, and you can kind of see Luna has on this kind of Mugler inspired bodysuit, and they for some reason did not include that in the doll. I honestly think, I know it's such a simple thing, but I honestly think that bodysuit would have just upgraded the doll so much more. I did see another content creator did go in and give her, I believe it's Mila's fishnets and Mila's like a mesh top to her. I think they definitely should have included that with her, because without it, her outfit kind of looks a little plain in my opinion. Like, I feel like she doesn't really have that pizzazz that bodysuit really would have added. I also feel like she possibly needs like some hair accessories, like maybe some bracelets or something just to kind of pizzazz up her look. But that is all for the Sunny and Luna Madison 2-pack. I want to know your thoughts of these dolls in the comment section down below. Did you pick them up yourself? I would love to see you guys on my other platforms. So of course it is Peace, Love, and Plastic on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And yeah, that is all for me, friends. I will be getting some restyles up here soon, but I definitely wanted to get these reviews out for you guys. So again, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, put a crescent moon in the comments. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.